weeks of junior achievement, and a few of our weeks we got to work with our group. Get back. It's creepy. All the way down. We went to this, it's literally a town, and there's different, like, how do I explain it? Like different businesses. Different businesses.
Hence the name Biz Town.
Stop.
Too close?
Woo!
Extreme close up. Don't kick me.
Like 3 weeks of it, we worked on a bunch of advertisements. All the paychecks, did all the paperwork on the computer, and that was literally all day because we had these things called ad voice or whatever.
Invoice?
Invoice. $163, but we didn't even use our $163.
So how many employees does your restaurant have?
5.
Okay. Was it kind of like Diner Dash then, your restaurant?
Not really. But,
what was it called?
ours was called, it was a come and go, but we made our own name, everyone did, called Eatin' Up Fun. And then...
What kind of food did your restaurant serve?
We sold popcorn, Snapple, water, which was free, Cheez-Its, and these fun little treat bags.